My people in YouTube, I love you. Welcome. So we're just going into the topic for today is what is the federal government? Where did I leave off? Oh, vintage numbers. Okay. So when you get your number from the federal government, and once again, those numbers are free. And you now can go and get your tag with your number on it. And when you're riding your flag with your seal and your nation flag on it, they know not to pull you over. They know not to pull you over. Also, we use our federal ID numbers on our allodial IDs. Okay, this will have your federal ID number on it. So I'm saying to you, there is a lot of ways that you can deal with not having to do business with the state. Okay, does anybody, if you have any questions, I want you to put them in the comment section. Where do we get it from? Secretary of the State. Okay, and I want y'all to pay attention to this question. Thank you for that question. All right, Secretary of State. Who is that dealing with? I just told you about the 4 governmental agencies: federal, state, city, county. You're getting it from the state. Who you dealing with? You're dealing with the fake corporation in Washington, D.C. You're going to get it from the federal side. And we deal with that in our advanced classes. Y'all have to come into the university. See, when y'all come in, y'all like, how we doing, Diva? Where the money at, Diva? I want these tags, and I want to get my student loans taken care of. I want to get out of this hard house loan. I want to get rid of the car loan. I want to get rid of my credit card bill. Okay, you want to do all those things, and you want me to tell it to you in 20 minutes that I'm talking to you on the phone. That's not how that works. Because you got to know the true knowledge. Because when you start doing this, you got to understand it's not like they're not going to come at you. Oh, they're going to come at you. And they're going to try to put you under a contract. And if you quaking in your boots, then you're not going to know what to do. But when you know who you are, they cannot touch you. They can't. And you're going to know how to stand. So this is why you need to come into the school. But I tell y'all, I give y'all a remedy all the time about how to put yourself under trust, how to protect yourself. But y'all got to come into the university so you can learn to protect everything, and learn how to deal with the federal side. Listen, look, if you don't come to my school, I'm fine. Go to somebody's school though, because some of y'all are trying to like, I'm supposed to get it for free. I need you to understand something. You can learn this. It's not going to be free. I don't care if you pay somebody or you don't pay somebody. Even if you don't pay somebody, you got to pay attention. You got to do your research. That is payment. Believe that. And if you don't have somebody who can show you direct, focused information, instead of you getting it within 3 months, it's going to take you 3 years. If you get it then, because you're going to be all over the place with, well, this one said this and this one said this. And here's the issue. It's not that they're wrong, or some of them might be giving false information. But the problem is that they're using different information, or they're using different words and terminology. And this one, they might be saying the same thing, but you don't get it because you don't know the different terminology they're using. You need to get with somebody who can help you. Is it worth your time to get all this stuff off of your back within 6 months to a year, as opposed to being stressed out and trying to figure it out on your own for 3, 4, 5 years? Listen, if you're talking about, oh, I want to deal with my house note on my car note. Oh, I want to sue this one because he did this to me and I want to do that. Listen, you paid to get yourself in debt. You paid for that student loan. You paid for that house. You paid for that car note. And now you think you're supposed to get out of it free. That's not how it works. And I'm letting you know, you're going to pay. Whether you pay attention, you pay with your blood, sweat, and tears, or you pay with your Federal Reserve notes. You got to pay. How you pay is up to you. If you want things done in a certain amount of time, you got to understand that your time is more valuable than sitting up here 3, 4 years stressing out about something when you can get it taken care of, when you can find somebody, whether it be me or somebody else who can really help you to get it taken care of. Your time is more valuable. Be willing to pay your Federal Reserve notes as opposed to spending all this time trying to figure it out. Your time is more valuable. If you don't get it from me, get it somewhere. All right, let me get back on this now. I just talked to you about the tags.